This is Mission Control Houston. Good morning. Today is Sunday, July 15th, 2018. We're live here inside the International Space Station Flight Control Room, awaiting the release of the Cygnus cargo vehicle for the Northrop Grumman CRS-9 mission. You can see the Cygnus currently poised in its release position at the end of the station's robotic arm, sitting just over 15 meters away from the International Space Station. Series of commands right now. The snares are open and they're extending the carriage of the latching end effector to finally release the Cygnus vehicle today. Starting to see the separation of the vehicle from this Canada Arm 2. And at 7:37 a.m. today over southeast Colombia, 253 statute miles over the Earth, the Northrop Grumman Cygnus vehicle on its CRS-9 mission has been released from the International Space Station. Confirm separation. You can see the arm backing away as well. Confirmation that the vehicle is steady right now. It's cleared 4.5 meters away from the station's robotic arm. Still poised just under 15 meters away from the station. Standing by for the departure burn to start moving away from the space station. Station's robotic arm is held 4 meters away. The departure burn has been executed. You'll start seeing the Cygnus start moving away from the space station.
Commanded.
Confirmation from the crew that that burn has been commanded.
See the same.
Departure burn is underway. The Cygnus vehicle is currently accelerating away from the station.
Station Houston on 2. Cygnus departure burn is in progress. Continue to monitor the departure steps 2 and 3 in 1.602.
Copy. We'll continue to monitor step 2 and 3, 1.602.
Good readback.
With a good view, the astronauts from the cupola workstation will be able to monitor the Cygnus as it drifts away from the space station. They'll continue to monitor it as it crosses the keep-out sphere 200 meters away and the approach ellipsoid just about a kilometer away. Still about 2 minutes left in the burn. We're seeing a rate of about just over half a meter per second and increasing, now 0.6 meters per second. Cygnus vehicle now about to cross 40 meters away from the station.
Departure burn is complete. Safe SSRMS per step 5 in 1.320. Station Houston on 2, Cygnus has exited the 200-meter keep-out sphere.
So we copy.
Good reads from Serena Anand Chancellor up on the station and Cindy Kester, Capcom here in the International Space Station Flight Control Room. Cygnus is confirmed beyond the 200-meter keep-out sphere, actually now 450 meters away and continuing to move away from the space station at a rate of just over 1.4 meters per second. After the deployment, the Cygnus will remain in orbit for about 2 weeks. Then on July 20th, it's scheduled to initiate its final re-entry departure burn, and that'll send it into the atmosphere to burn up over the Pacific Ocean, again with 6,600 pounds, over 6,600 pounds of trash on board.